AI writes the code, but who tests it? What if the same AI could write your test cases too? A test case is a step-by-step checklist that says, here's what to do, and here's what should happen. It's how teams make sure every feature actually works before users find out it doesn't. The problem? Writing them takes forever, and when deadlines hit, they're the first thing that gets cut. What if your AI coding assistant could read your code base, understand its features, and create detailed test cases, all without you writing a single one manually? That's exactly what we're going to do using Claude Code and the TestCollab MCP Server. We're going to use Koel, an open source, self-hosted music streaming app. Think of it as a self-hosted Spotify. It's built with Laravel on the back end and Vue.js on the front end. The goal, point Claude Code at this code base and have it generate real, meaningful test cases directly in TestCollab. No copy pasting, no switching between tools. This is made possible by the TestCollab MCP Server. MCP, Model Context Protocol, lets AI tools like Claude Code talk directly to external services. Let me show you how to set it up. You'll need two things from your TestCollab account. First, your project ID. Head to the projects page. Click into your project, and you'll see the project ID right there in the URL. Next, your API token. Click your avatar in the top right, open My Profile Settings, and switch to the API Token tab. Click Generate New API Token, give it a name, and copy the token. Now drop both values into a .mcp.json file at the root of your project. The project ID goes in TC Default Project, the API token in TC API Token, and that's it. Claude Code now has direct access to create test cases, manage suites, and work with test plans, all through natural language. Let's launch Claude Code and see if it can talk to TestCollab. How many test cases do I have in this project? 0, which means the connection works. We just haven't created any yet. Let's fix that. First, I'll ask Claude Code to analyze the project. Analyze this code base and tell me what it does. What are the key features? We'll wait and let it do its thing. It read through the code, routes, controllers, components, and identified the key features: music playback, playlist management, smart playlists, favorites, search, user management, and more, all from reading the actual code, not just the README file. Now, let's put it to work. I'm going to ask it to create a test suite hierarchy and just the first 5 test cases. I'm keeping it to 5 for now. I want to see the quality first. Make sure the test cases are actually good. Once that's established, I can ask it to cover the entire code base in one go. But for this demo, let's start small. Create a test suite hierarchy based on the features you found and generate the first 5 test cases. Let's see what it created in TestCollab. It created the suites, organized them by feature, and wrote 5 detailed test cases with steps, expected results, everything. And these aren't just pushed to a file. They're live in TestCollab, ready for your team. That's the power of TestCollab's MCP Server. Your AI coding assistant doesn't just write code, it writes your tests too. Set it up in minutes, link it to your project, and let AI handle the grunt work. Try it free at testcollab.com.